Welcome to Bible Logos. I'm Robin Carter, your broadcast host. Today I'm excited to bring you part 4 of the Good Samaritan, #What's Love Got to Do with It? Please do me a favor and like and share this message on social media with your friends and family. All right, let's get to the word. Here's part 4 of the Good Samaritan, #What's Love Got to Do with It?
We got to be careful blaming people when they're going through something, when they're on the flow. Point number 2, love have everything to do with it because the holy that ignored you. That's verse 39. Remember the priest? He passed by on the other side. He looked, but he passed on the other side. And you know what? Priests at that time, they had to be riding on a donkey or a horse, but they on the other side. Right now, we got big balls, shot caller preachers, and they're so important, they won't even speak to you on Sunday morning. They won't even shake your hand because their hand might get dirty, so they don't have time for you. But I got news for you. I'm so glad I got a hand that somebody can shake. I'm so glad I got an arm I could put my arms around somebody. What love got to do with it? So the priest, he's afraid that, remember, he was afraid that he would be unceremonial clean. Y'all know how he did. And if he went and touched the man, he would lose his paycheck because at least 2 weeks they would have to get him back ceremonial clean. So he looked. You got some people look at you and feel sorry for you, but they ain't doing nothing. Remember John 4? Remember St. John 4? Jesus said, I have a need to go to Samaritan. And the reason, because there was a woman there I need to meet. And some of y'all so saved, you're only touching black people. You're only witnessing to black people. I'm letting you know only black people going to be in heaven. You got to witness to everybody. No, y'all didn't get that. Everybody, I come in touch. Who is my neighbor? Anybody I can help? Coming in church shouting like you got it going on, and you passing by people of other races like you so saved, looking deep, looking ugly. So the holy ignored. That's why pastor keep preaching about tithe and offering. People come to the church daily looking for money, looking for gas, looking for food, and we don't have it. They see this church crowded on Sundays, and we sitting up there shouting, and they come and we can't give them nothing because you won't tithe. I know you was going to get quiet now. And you talking about that's a show is a shame. Let them get it like I got it. No, God bless you so that you can bless somebody else. He bless you so you can be a blessing. You so saved, why don't you give? Why don't you get some of them dresses out your closet? You can't wear but one at a time because that was a time you didn't have but 2 or 3 no way. But God done bless you now, and you looking at them, let them get it like I got it. And those that come to the church, I'm going to meddle now. And the reason I'm going to meddle, those that come looking for a handout at the church, they don't tithe. Because when you tithe, you don't have to get nothing from nobody. God says, I'll take care of you. He said, I'll pour out blessings. I'll open the windows of heaven. I'll pour you out a blessing. In here shouting, and Robert's got a mask on your face. Around here tipping God. God don't want your tip. He wants your tithe. 10%. That's too much. You know, the one who give it can take it when he get ready. Oh, that wasn't a message. I'm sorry, Mel. Now the Levi come. He wasn't a priest. He was the next one, the holy one, like the deacons, like the choir. They're the ones that help the minister, the priest. They look. He passed by and he looked. At least he went on about it. He's been looking at it enough. How many times you're on the freeway, people holding up the freeway watching a wreck? Go on about your business if you ain't in the wreck. Well, I just want to see who's in there. No, go about your business. So he went to the other side for the hurt. What love got to do with it? For the hurt that floored you.
Welcome back. You do not want to miss the conclusion tomorrow of the message, The Good Samaritan, hashtag What's Love Got to Do with It. Please don't forget to like and share this message with your friends and family. I'm Robin Carter, and I want you to remember that the sower sows the word, and therefore it is with the same measure that you meet that it shall be measured unto you again.